In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your own name on Instagram. So getting your own name means like having your first name or your last name, or your first name and your last name as your Instagram username. Now this can be a little bit tricky if you have a very common name. So if I tap on edit profile, then you can see it says name and then username. We're talking about a username here. So if I try and change my name to just, let's say, Steven, you can see it says that username is not available. But what you can do is you can add characters. So if I add, let's say, 3 underscores, or it still says unavailable, so I can just do that. But you can see it kind of looks ugly, and I have a very common name. So the only other way to get your name as your username is if you don't have a very common name. If you're living in a country that has kind of out there kind of names that aren't really popular on Instagram, then you have a good chance of getting your own name as your Instagram username. But you can just play around with the characters after your first name, or you could include your second name as well, then add the underscores, and that seems to be available. So if I wanted my name, I would have to make it look like that. And then the other option is to have an uncommon name on Instagram. So that's really the only 2 ways that you can get your own username on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.